I'm Alyssa LeBlanc, and I'm here with the unfailingly enlightening tracking Pat. We have some exciting news. The ProtoTRAK RMX is now available as an upgrade for previous generation's ProtoTRAK CNCs. Pat, big picture, why should someone consider upgrading a ProtoTRAK CNC that already works so well?
Well, I think the biggest reason is the fact that the RMX is more powerful than every control that we've ever made. So depending on how old the product is that you're going to upgrade, you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck.
We sold over 20,000 ProtoTRAK SMX CNCs, and it is widely regarded as a great control for ProtoTRAK applications. How does the RMX improve on that?
Well, I think it's a couple things. First of all, the larger screen and the fact that it's a touch screen, it's easier to navigate. And then just the power of the extra things that it can do that an SMX cannot.
You make a really good case for the RMX, but we have two ProtoTRAKs available for upgrade, the KMX and the RMX. Who should upgrade to the KMX over the RMX?
Well, I think the KMX is more of an entry-level product, so because of that, it's a great replacement for EMXs and edges and things like that. It's a very good product, but it's mostly a two-axis product. There are some three-axis parts of it, but it's just not super capable, so it's great for the guy who just needs to get in and out and do simple stuff like hole patterns and circles and squares and things like that. Whereas the RMX can do anything you can imagine, right? So because of that, it's just, I would say it's an SMX control on steroids, right? It just can do all the things you couldn't even imagine. And because of that, if you really need all that extra power, like in tool paths and things like that, pocketing, island stuff, that's where the RMX really, really shines.
How can someone find out more about the ProtoTRAK RMX?
That's a great question. Usually to get more information about any of our products, the best way is to just find your local TRAK rep. If you don't know who that is, call the home office, they'll direct you. Otherwise, look at our website, which is www.trakmt.com.
Okay, Pat, so what is the #1 greatest thing about the RMX?
I am so glad you asked. What it is there's a button here that says watch me, and you get to see me right on the screen.
I feel like I'm with a celebrity.
So do I.
Well, you heard it, folks. A lot of great reasons to call your local rep and find out more.
That's correct, Alyssa. So I think the only thing left to say is if you would just take it away.
Keep on tracking.
That's correct.